Hello everyone, I'm Visagan and this is my official YouTube channel. In this series of this YouTube channel, we are going to see how to create a simple video game made by you using the Unity game engine and with the programming of C#. Let's get into it quickly. Now open your favorite browser and type Unity, and after you type Unity, this page appears in your screen. Click on Games. Click on Get Started. In this, after we click on Get Started, they show the page of plans and pricing. Ignore this page and click on Individual. You can see there are two things, the student and the personal. As you see, the students is nothing but to learn the tools and the job is the Unity programming. The personal is nothing but we can start creating the free version of Unity. So we need to click on here. After clicking here, you can see this page. If you are a returning user or you have deleted Unity for some reasons, you need to go here, or if you are a first time user, you need to click here. This is the main important session. Here I am saying, if you are a returning user and clicking on the first time user, it might be a big problem in your PC. So follow my steps. If you are a returning user, just go here, or a first time user, just go here. I have Unity installed already in my computer, so no need of installing. Now we will see the IDE for our Unity, which we are going to use as the integrated development environment as our project's coding place. Now open a new tab and write Visual Studio. After you type Visual Studio on here, you can see the first link where it appears here, microsoft.visualstudio.com and Visual Studio IDE. Yeah, click here. There is Visual Studio for Windows and there is Visual Studio for Mac. The Visual Studio code is available for the 3 operating systems, which is nothing but Windows, Mac and Linux. I prefer Visual Studio Code, which is smart and easy to learn in Windows 10. If you are Mac, click on this option. If you are on Linux, click on this, and if you are on RPM Linux, click here. I am in Windows 64, so I click here. I prefer to choose Visual Studio Code, which is easy for coding and everything which you can easily understand in Visual Studio Code. Let's get into it. I have already installed in my system, so I'm not going to install it. But for installing Unity, it might take some time for you, and you will have to wait for some time. Now let's prepare the tools which we need to install for Unity to connect Visual Studio Code with our Unity. Now after installing your Visual Studio Code, after it opens, click on extensions, which you can see has the 4th option or the 5th option here. Click on it. After clicking, only install what are the tools that I say. Install .NET. This is the tool which you need to install if you're a starter, or if you don't know that you need to install .NET tools to connect it. Something has Visual Studio as an IDE. So install .NET. It's from Microsoft. It's an original. And then download the C# because we are going to use C# for for this year and for this series. Now please install C Sharp, and in my Unity version I don't have available of other languages, so let's install C Sharp. Now let's get down and let's download. This is the debugger for Unity. It's prepared by the Unity technologies, as you guys can see that, and I'm installing this because it helps us to connect with Unity easily. And there are a few more things that you need to install for Unity. Don't install any other things, as let's say I say install only my instructions for only this project. Click on Unity code snippets, and you need to install the Unity code snippets and the Unity tools. These are important and it helps us debug very fastly with Unity. And if you don't install this, but it's no problem. For if you connect Visual Studio and open a Unity project in Visual Studio for coding, it might be problem and some projects may get error in loading for the Unity. So we need to debug the projects, so we are installing these tools. Now let's create our project. Open Unity Hub in your desktop. Now, after your Unity Hub opens, you can see this page: projects, learn, community, and installs. Do not go to any of this. In your projects page, click on new, and then we are going to create a new Unity project with a 3D. For now, we will create with 3D and use 2D afterwards. It might be useful for us after this video or sometime. Now let's name our project simple and then let's give create. It might take some time to create, and I'm going to cut off this part. And now after your project's open, it looks like this. Don't forget to after you open your project, you can see that in assets there will be a folder auto created by Unity called scenes. Double click on it. Now you can see that the sample scene is there inside of the scenes. So drag it out to the assets. The sample scene is nothing but which all of our projects will be loaded is called the sample scene. Now our main camera, this is our camera, and then this is our light. It will be loaded in only this, so nothing is going to be in this folder. Let's delete it. Let's delete this folder. And then in this video, now we're not going to start creating, we are just going to learn the basics of Unity. Now use your arrow keys to move in left, right, up and down. To focus on an object with your mouse, click on an object and hit on F. You can focus on an object by hitting F on it, and even if you are near object you want to go out of it and look on it, you can hit on F. To move the object, you can use these arrow keys which you can see. The green arrow key is used to move the object up and down. The red arrow key is used to move the object right and left, and this is used to move the object down. And nothing is the main camera. The main camera displays the game. If the main camera is deleted, it says no displays rendering. So if you guys don't know to recover it, it might be a big problem. So you need to be very careful while handling these things. If you delete it and done something, just give control Z. And do not delete main camera and directional light, which is the main thing which our player will be playing. So there is a big mistake. To move around the screen, you can press on Alt and you can see that I option appears on the screen, and by pressing Alt in it, keep a hand on the Alt and move your mouse backwards like this and forward like this. You can move up and down, left and right, and this is the hand tool. These are the tools that is listed out here. The hand tool, which is used to move up and down. This is the move tool, which is used to move the object left and right. And this is the rotate tool. This is used to rotate the object, and you can see that the camera is rotating. I'm just going to do the control Z. As you guys can see that you can rotate it with your rotate tool, and there are many other tools. That is pretty much for this video, and we see you guys in the next video. If you want the next video to get, and please subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell icon, and don't forget to like the video and share the video. See you all in the next video. Bye.